How to stop apps tracking location on iPhone. This is going to show you how to turn off app location tracking in iPhone. So the first step is go to the settings menu, scroll down, then click on apps. There you want to click on location services. Then you'll see each individual app will have their own kind of setting. It will say it will track while using. It will track potentially when shared, never. There's a few different options depending on the app. And you can see there at the bottom the description. But if you want to change one particular app, all you're going to have to do is go ahead and click on the app that you want to change. So for instance, I'll click on this app here. Then you can go ahead and click on never or ask next time or when I share. So let's say for instance, you might want to do it. You can also click to turn off precise location. So there's a few different ways of doing it in there. And also if you want to turn them off for kind of all your apps, you can go ahead and click on the share my location and then go ahead and turn that off. So that's how you do it in each individual section. Leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.